this is probably one of the best spanakopitas I've ever had. As Jason with Dad's That Cook, we're in Naxos and we're at the Naxian Terra, which is the restaurant here at Villa Morandi. George is the head chef here. We're making a spanakopita and a niki salata. My family's from Greece and I'm learning all kinds of great things. And George is the guy to do it for me today. And I've got a gift for you.
Thank you very much.
Dad's That Cook
Amazing.
knife. It's all yours. Let's pull that out. Be careful, it's extremely sharp.
Amazing.
So this is spanakopita, otherwise spinach pie.
I'm gonna cut some of this.
Some of the white beet
Yes.
leaves. And what's that called again?
Mironia.
Mironia, which is like a cilantro, right?
Yes. Yes.
Some
Spinach.
spinach.
Feta.
He just has tubs of it laying around.
You
know.
have to wash it.
You don't want the salt, otherwise
Yes.
you'll have salty flavored food.
Yes.
Olive oil in a pan,
Leeks.
and we're just going to get those nice and soft. Is that the idea?
Yes.
Put some green onion.
Yes.
Diced.
Fresh onion.
Put all the green.
Whatever we chop.
A little salt. A little pepper. How many kids do you have, George?
2.
2 kids. A 5-year-old and a.
5-year-old Iulia and 9 years old Konstantinos.
And they keep you busy, right?
Always.
Always.
Yes,
They
of
like
course.
your food, I take it.
Yes. Yes.
Just break it right in there.
Yes.
Ouzo. Yes, and then you drink it too, right?
No.
No. Now we strain it.
Yes.
So now we're at the phyllo dough.
Yes.
So you're gonna cut them into small little sheets.
Yes. Each one.
Each
have
one.
to put.
A little bit of butter.
Yes.
Salted, unsalted?
Unsalted butter.
Unsalted butter. Oh, you do a little cross?
You see how I make it?
Oh, look.
Yes.
Okay, now you're doing kind of a star.
Yes. That's it.
Yeah, yeah. Now we've got the Greek star pretty much, right?
Yes.
Okay. Kind of crumple it. I see. Uh-huh. Kind of like a pocket.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And
Take the onion leaf. Oh, that's why you did the onion.
yes.
Put it in water for 2 minutes so it'll soften up so he can use that as its tie.
Corn flour.
Corn flour?
Stick.
Yeah, yeah.
Butter.
Oh, yeah, more butter's good.
200 degrees
200 degrees Celsius,
for 7 minutes.
7 minutes. He's got a tomato sauce that he had made, which is going to be the bottom layer of the spanakopita. Oh. Oh, look at that. And this is more of an appetizer, kind of a sharing.
It's a starter. You can
Starter.
give this for 2 people. It's okay.
Let's cut into that, George. Oh, look at that. It's hot. Really hot, but it's so good. And the leeks really add a really interesting flavor.
The leeks they give you sweet.
I mean, this is probably one of the best spanakopitas I've ever had. Villa Morandi in Naxos. You come on down. Have him make this for you.
Thank you very much.
Ah.
Ευχαριστώ πολύ. Ευχαριστώ πολύ.
Okay, we're making the traditional Greek salad right now, which is called
Ελληνική σαλάτα. Cut the cherry tomatoes in the middle, please. There
Boom.
you are.
Go, go, go. Chef George has cut a few tomatoes in his time. The cucumber?
It's very sharp.
I love onion. If you like green pepper.
If you like, you put more.
Okay.
We have olives, kalamatas. Here,
A little bit of salt.
oregano, a little bit of vinegar,
Olive oil.
olive oil.
That goes on Mr. Plate over there. Feta. That looks delicious. It's all about presentation. And you break it up as you go.
Oregano, little bit olive oil.
That's it. Look at how easy that was. Let's give it a shot. Let's get that olive in there. Oh, yeah, that's the bite right there. I just love the flavors. I love Kalamata olives. I love everything about this dish because it is also so easy to make. All right, so that's it with Chef George. Thank you so much for spending time with me and showing me these dishes.
Thank you for the knife.
Oh.
Thank you that you come here in my kitchen. Ευχαριστώ πολύ. Καλησπέρα σας.
Ευχαριστώ.
Ευχαριστώ.